After editing the video, when you try to export in CapCut, it says Pro materials used and it asks you to join Pro. To fix this, click on back to edit, click on the timeline and press Ctrl plus A to select all and right click and select create compound clip and again right click and select pre-process compound clip and wait for this process to done. Once this done, press Windows key and R key together and type app data. Click on OK. Open local CapCut user data projects and open this com editor.draft. Open the folder that matches your current project. In my case 0624 in quotation 7. Here it is. Open the correct folder and open resources. Open combination. Here you can able to see MP4 file. Go to media and drag and drop this MP4 file inside the CapCut. It says couldn't import. Some materials are damaged. To fix this, close the CapCut completely and reopen. Select the same project. Go back to the file explorer and now you can able to drag and drop this MP4 file. Drag and drop to the timeline. Replace clip option. Now you can able to use the Pro feature. Select the export option and you can able to export the video like normal. That's how you can export using the Pro features for free. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.